Hello, welcome to Linux Cloud Mentor. Today topic is how to install PostgreSQL through Python scripts on Red Hat operating system 9. So let's start quickly. First, we- first, we- first I need to access virtual machine of Red Hat. Given the root, Red Hat operating system is accessible successfully. So I need to check something like firewall D and SLNX and hostname. Now you see we now you see I install PostgreSQL on Red Hat 9.3. So check the SLNX status. It's unable, inactive, and firewall D. It's also running inactive. So quickly we need to install. So I need Python script repo from GitHub. Don't worry, I will paste the command in below description, right? So here is the scripts Python. Start the script. Need to put my Postgre version 16. You set the any port, Postgre port, and set the PostgreSQL super user password. So script is running and installing the dependencies and packages. Now you see the packages is downloaded and PostgreSQL installation and verifying the packages. Now packages installed successfully, and now initializing the database. Now you see it's asking the new user if you require during the installation required user. So you create here. I want to create mentor user and set the password. And now you see the new user is created successfully. So I want to stop script here. If you require more user create, now you to set the users multiple. I want to stop here. So I input stop. Now you see the 7700 board is already defined. And warning already enabled 77000 port in SLNX. Now you see the print the user list, mentor and postgre. So script is successfully completed. Now I need to access the mentor user. Code is 7700. Okay, my mistake. P is small. Now mentor user is logged successfully. So mentor user is logged successfully. I need to check firewall D. Code is allow in firewall and SLNX, right? Minus list minus all. Now you see port is allow firewall D and check the in SLNX. Now you see the port is allow in SLNX and also check the netstat command for external access, right? Right. Port is allow with any IP is Postgre accessible from outside, right? Thank you for watching.